Tired of dropping your phone or struggling to prop it up? Meet the Pop Sockets phone grip with expanding kickstand in black, your new must-have accessory. Don't miss out. Grab yours today. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
What's up, car enthusiasts? Welcome to Electro Drive News, your go-to source for all things electric vehicles and performance cars. Today, we're talking about a game changer that's got everyone in the industry buzzing: the small sports car SC01 from China. This beauty is not only stunning, but also packs a punch when it comes to power and design. With its 429 horsepower electric motor, this thing can go from 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds, making it one of the quickest electric sports cars out there. But what really sets it apart is its innovative approach to building an affordable high-performance car. The SC01 uses a classic tubular space frame chassis, inspired by iconic sports cars like the Countach and the McLaren F1. And instead of using fancy carbon fiber or aluminum, they've opted for good old-fashioned chromoly steel, a material that's still used in some forms of racing today. That's right, folks, this car is all about keeping it simple and rugged. Now, when it comes to batteries, you'd think they'd be stuck in the center of the car for safety reasons, but not with the SC01. Instead, they've cleverly placed them behind the passengers, which not only lowers the center of gravity, but also keeps the weight evenly distributed. And let me tell you, it's a stroke of genius. But what really gets our engines revving is the price tag, a whopping $31,900 for this beast of a car. That's right. For less than $32,000, you can get your hands on an electric sports car that'll put most modern performance cars to shame. And with Chinese manufacturing taking over the automotive world, we can expect to see more and more marvels like this one popping up in the future. I mean, just imagine a fully electric Mayada with great steering feel. It's the ultimate driving experience. And with companies like Tesla already doing it, why not? The SC01 might not be perfect, but it's definitely got potential, and that's what we love about it. So, there you have it, folks. The small sports car SC01 is a game changer in the world of electric vehicles. We can't wait to see what other innovative designs come out of China and make their way to our shores. Stay tuned for more updates from Electro Drive News, your source for all things electric and performance.